welcome back to Chrissy's Corner. In today's show, we're going to strip the garden beds and going to get them ready for spring. In preparation for spring, we are building a small greenhouse that we are going to use for our new seedlings. We got all our parts out of the box and we're getting ready to assemble it. Alright, we have got the greenhouse nice and finished, and now we're going to be putting it in its resting spot. Decided to put our greenhouse right next to our potato patch so we can put our seedlings in there. So let's go get our seedlings. Here we have our cubes that have some soil in them, and we have pre-watered them for the seeds. We have our seeds here. We have 6 of them, but we have 12 little cubes, so we have 2 of them, just in case one of them doesn't work out. And here we have them written down in the order we are going to be planting them in. So we have our lettuce, our dill, our tomatoes, and our Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and cucumbers. So let's get to planting them into our cubes. Alright guys, we put our seeds in and we've topped them up with some more soil and we've moisturized it, and now I'm going to put it in. Our greenhouse. Like so. And
beautiful.
For the top. I'm going to zip it.
Yep.
I never zipped it. Oh, I've never done this.
See, so that will keep it nice and moist and warm, which will promote the seed growth.
Yeah, so now it's all done.
Alright.
Yep. We've enriched our soil with chicken poop and food scraps so it can be ready for our seeds and stuff. We've turned it around and such, so that way it's nice and rich. Now that we have finished with our greenhouse over there, I wanted to show you guys something. These are all little coriander seeds that are starting to grow naturally, which is really great. I've put a little sign there that says coriander. Very cute.
So were they seeds that fell off the old coriander tree?
Yeah, those are all the seeds fell off the coriander tree. They're everywhere. Alrighty guys, I just want to show you something. Here are some of my nectarine and peach trees. They are starting to bloom. In the past couple of weeks or 2, they started to bloom. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Bye.